Hi everyone, I'm super excited to bring you this video. It's an inspiration video. So I'm gonna pop a picture in right here. I got the inspiration picture off of Instagram. I saw it on Instagram. I will link all the details for that picture in the description box below in case you want to follow them on Instagram. I picked out some colors that I thought closely represented that I had in my collection. So the first one we have is Bleu de France, which is like a turquoise, bright turquoise blue, and it's actually a wave gel color. So wave gel has matching sets. So they've got the gel color, and the matching set also comes with regular lacquer. I'm going to use the regular lacquer today. I have Golden Seal, which is a gold topper from China Glaze, and we have Deila from Zoya. I also think if you have Zoya, Robin might be a close match to this. I'm not really sure. Robin's on my list to purchase, but I don't have it for this video, and I didn't want to wait anymore. So let's get started. I'm going to start out with top coat on all of my nails. Oh my gosh, it's not top coat, it's base coat. I've done that last two videos. I'm going to start out by applying a base coat to all of my nails. On my pointer finger and my pinky finger, I'm going to put Deila. And this is a really nice cream. It's going to need about 2 coats. On the other fingers, I'm going to put Bleu de France. This also is a nice cream, and it's going to need 2 coats. Well, this is weird. Maybe it's not a nice cream. It's really pretty patchy, but I think it should be okay. On its second coat, let's keep our fingers crossed. Maybe it's drying too fast. Maybe that's the issue. I don't know. My application somehow. Anyways, I'm putting this on my ring finger, my middle finger, and my thumb. Now we're going for the second coat. And Delia looks good in 2 coats. Now we're going to do Bleu de France, and I have a feeling that it's coming out looking like that because it's drying super fast. So you just need to get your brush filled and get it on there, and maybe do a few extra coats if you don't have enough coverage, because if you keep wiping at it, you're just wiping big streaks into it. So this is probably going to need about 3 coats to fix the patches that I have on here. Ugh. Yeah, this is not pretty. Okay. Now I'm really wishing I had more Zoya. Yeah, this Bleu de France is drying super fast. Okay. The only nail that's staying all blue is this middle finger, so I'm hoping I'm going to put a big, thick, quick dry top coat on it. Oh, and then hopefully it'll smooth it all out. Yeah, that looks good. Ooh, that does look good. Whew. Okay. The other spots will be, they'll be covered up. Okay, the next step is just to put some just random purple spots on my nail and wait for that to dry. The next part is just to take my glitter topper and just spread some glitter on there. I love how this looks. Looks like little gold chunks on your nails. Put a shiny top coat on all of my nails, and that's it. Super simple. I like this color combo. It looks really nice for summer. So I really love how this mani turned out. I love these colors together. They're such fun summer colors. I love the little gold accents kind of blinging out the mani. So simple. You don't need any special tools, and it literally didn't take very long at all. So I hope you like this one too. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments you'd like in the comment section below. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.